I just wanted to do this quick video on the topic, can an average person become successful investing in crypto and the stock market? By this, you would have come across some internet sensational going on and on about their successes in crypto or the stock market. No matter where in the world you are, as a matter of fact from you are able to watch this video, we can agree you have. The question though is, can Mr. Average Joe ever get a foot in the door? Watch this video till the end and you will get real tips to improve and not just gamble in the markets. Remember to check out the special mentorship program at the end of the video too. Would you allow someone who just watched YouTube videos to perform a real-life surgery on you? No, you wouldn't. You need to know the person to do that surgery would have gone through medical school and has a track record, am I correct? The thing is, the earning potentials are there, but in most cases, it is no different from gambling if not executed correctly. And though a little different from a medical surgeon, you would still need to educate yourself before taking on crypto or FX. 100's Crypto Mentor is a private unlimited mentorship program that teaches you everything crypto and helps you to grow your portfolio. Most persons watch a few YouTube videos and blame their misfortunes on the YouTube creators. But the lack is you not investing in yourself. Do remember that what is learned will benefit you, and then you may in turn be able to help others on their path. So in concluding, can the average person become successful in crypto investing? The answer is yes. Learn and learn even more. Never forget also that the best teacher is time and a good mentor. Let me introduce you to 100's Crypto Mentor. Here you will learn NFTs, entry and exit strategies and so much more. There is also an exclusive membership area and a private Telegram. Click the link in the description for the 100's Crypto Mentor special offer now.